How much did all those artisan cost? We never really talk about that. This is the BD60 or the Bob Dylan 60. So we have the FR4 plates, we have the brown color, and I got keyless. I was tempted to get HHKB, but my mods are like, you already have doll. This is going to be an in-stock sale sometime early December. They've already started teasing some of the colors. It's going to come in 9 different colors. So you have Quicksilver, Robocop, Darth Vader, Coffee, Navy, Lilac, Storm, Cream, and Sand. They'll come in 3 layouts: Winky, Winkeyless, and HHKB. The pricing for the Anno will start at $229. E-coding is $244, and they have the shipping estimate to be around $40. I guess that depends where you are. So here's the case that it comes in, and here's the toolbox. Neat. This is a nice little size. Yeah, we got Winkeyless. So here's the board. So it is also wrapped. This is the brown colorway. So the BD60 stands for Bob Dylan. The whole theme of this board is a tribute to the designer's favorite musician, being Bob Dylan. There are a couple tributes to Bob Dylan here. So the first thing is the engraving right here. I was so much older then. I'm younger than that now. So this is the song My Back Pages. So looking at the case, this is the front. So it's looking like another screwless design. What's interesting is that there are 4 screws and then 3 screws on the bottom, rather than doing like the 4 and 4. Here is the back. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this white design is supposed to look like a harmonica. Bob Dylan played the harmonica a lot, so you can kind of see. Ooh, neat. Here you can see the little gray studio engraved right here. You have the USB port, which is pretty nice. So instead of just incorporating it with the case, there's actually this thing that protrudes out. Here's the side, and here is the front lip. Another thing to note is that there is this little LED indicator in the left-hand corner. The mounting for this is going to be PCB leaf spring gasket mount or top mount with gaskets. So this is a dual mount keyboard, so you do have choices. Neat! There's a toolbox that they included with it. Let's see what you get in here. Oh, nice! Okay, so they give you a pointy tweezer. I love pointy tweezers, right? Magnetize, demagnetize. Interesting. The default PCB is hot swap with different layouts, but in terms of extras, there'll be a solder that you can use plateless. So you have 4 feet on the back, and I guess you can pick between having white or black feet. So you have base foam. Here is the FR4 plates. This is a nice looking plate. So you got 10 mounting points, 5 up top, 5 on the bottom. The gray studio right there. So the hot swap holders, these are like little silicone pieces. I'm guessing they go right here. It comes with FR4 or PC. You have a foam kit, so PE, and then you have your switch foam. And then here is the PCB. So you do have the one large cut right here. 1x2 mm is multi-layout, so you have step, regular caps lock. You have your choice of the bottom row. You can do split backspace. You can split the right shift. Here you can see the PCB leaf springs. And then here you have the back. Here's where the cable goes in. You see this little tiny thing? There's your LED indicator right here. Neat. Mason? You think we can summon him? If Mason appears in the next 10 seconds, I will boot up old school RuneScape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, I dodged a bullet there. Yeah, Mason's just way too slow. So once again, this is the BD60, Bob Dylan 60, tribute to Bob Dylan. This is like a harmonica, if you guys can't tell. There is the cover on it that I haven't taken off. Ooh, but I'm gonna keep it on. It is a screwless case design, so no visible screws. Instead, the screws, you're gonna have 4 up here and then 3 down here. The leaf springs on the PCB are alternated. So here you can see it's on the left side only, right side only. Here's in the middle, left side, right side, and then the same on the bottom. Here you can see is where the diffuser is. So here is the hole, and then they give you the diffuser that you would just put this just through, like boop. So the PCB leaf spring mount, you can see where it fits in on the bottom piece, and then the top piece is where you can see where the top mount gaskets fit in. It is very tight. What I did was I pushed one side in, and then I used the side of my tweezers to push the other gaskets in. But if you're buying this and you're building it, it is very tight. Just be aware of that. But yeah, that is the board. I would recommend joining their Discord. There is a teaser channel for the board. So if you're waiting for more information, that would probably be the best place. There's not a product page yet, but they have been teasing it. Thank you, Gray Studio. Thank you, Edward, for reaching out to me and asking me to build it on stream. That's the build. We're done.